Hey loves, in today's video I'll be doing a haul of what I received for Mother's Day. But first of all, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and everyone's mother. Mother's Day for me is rather somber. I like to keep myself busy, occupied. I guess that's how I deal with whatever it is that I am going through because my mother isn't here. But I do like to buy myself something nice on Mother's Day, and that's what I did. I went shopping. I did a blind buy. This is actually a blind buy because I really wanted to try it. So stay tuned to see what it is. And then there's something else I want to tell you about it later on. But again, happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video.
If this world were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me. If this world were mine, I'd give you the flowers, the birds and the bees, and come along beside me.
Let's think. These are big. It's supposed to come out. Because that's what they are. So cute. Yeah, they're so strong. And I could use those. I don't think I'm traveling anywhere. They're cute. I was there. So, like for like a day?
2 pickups. Each pickup is 4 to 5 days.
Oh, okay. So gorgeous.
It's beautiful.
Okay, so I have a hack. Both of the florists that I visit, just when I'm looking for flowers, I go to this actual lady. She has her own flower shop. And she's the first one who told me about putting Sprite in your flowers. So I put Sprite yesterday with some ice. I do put ice to keep them cool because, of course, in her flower shop, she has a wall of like refrigerators with the clear glass. Like say if you go in the grocery store and you go to the refrigerator department, like for yogurt, butter, and eggs, how everything is clear glass. That's her whole entire wall is in the store from front to back. It's a wall of refrigerators, and all of the flowers are in there after she prepares them, after she cuts the stems and whatever, and she sells them very, very reasonable. I think she does like 25 long stem roses for $25. And that's where I didn't get these from. I got this from another florist. He was having a sale for Mother's Day, and I paid $25 for 20. I paid $20 for 25. And just look how gorgeous they are. They are so freaking gorgeous. And he recommended the same exact thing. He's like, get you some Sprite. So I know he probably deals with her because you don't hear too many florist give that advice. Like, you know, the real florist gives that advice. So I was asking for food, and he mentioned Sprite because he said he had already moisturized and treated them So he said if you just put some Sprite, they'll last you 2 weeks. It's been Mother's Day was Sunday. It's only been like 3 days, but they're so freaking gorgeous. I just wanted you guys to see how pretty they are here. So this is everything that I got for Mother's Day. I did tell you I wanted to speak about the Louis Vuitton perfume. So when I ordered it, I knew it seemed to be a little bit like underpriced, and I thought it was the whole travel set, but I didn't see it at the time. But when I received it, I was like, why is this missing something? And so I have to ship it back to get the actual applicator, and I got it so I can have like perfume on the go for my bag. So instead of returning it, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it, and then I'll just reorder another one. I don't know about you guys, but before I buy or wear anything, especially stuff that I have to sleep in, I wash it. So all my nightwear, underwear, I do wash it before using it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to take all the tags off and throw this in a delicate cycle, hang it out so I can use it.